Hello. I hope you're doing amazing. Thank you for tuning into our Arizona real estate channel and for watching our videos. Today, I'll be taking you on a tour of a just listed single-story home in Tonopah, Arizona. It features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a huge kitchen with island and newer appliances. My name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes team, and we would be happy, actually honored, to assist with your real estate needs, be it buying and or selling, renting, investing. Perhaps it's time to upsize or downsize. We do it all. My contact information can be found in the description below. But for now, what you've been waiting for, the tour of this home. So let's get it. You're still here. I almost forgot to mention that this home, which could be yours, sits on 2.3 acres of pristine land, and it has an oversized patio, which is perfect for those Arizona sunsets. Okay, let's finish this video. Do me a favor, in the comments below, let me know what you liked about this property. And if you have any questions, again, reach out to us. That's what we're here for. Thank you.